Hi there, my name is Fawaz Saeed and I am a machine learning engineer. Today I'm going to discuss a project that is related to Gen AI, and that is a role-based rec assistant that provides information about a company based on your role in the company. So this online event was hosted by Code Basic, and I participated in this online event, and I have created this assistant. So I'm going to show you how this actually works. So before wasting any time, let's get into it. I won't go too technical right here. I will explain the approach that I used in order to create this assistant. So the first file that I would like to discuss is this embedding.py file. The main function of this file is to embed all the important documents into a vector and store in a .pkl file. These all are the documents that are in this resources folder in data engineer, and these are all folders inside this data folder. So these are the resources for a demo company, and I have converted this into vectors using this model, embedding model sentence transformer. You can use any other you want. So, and this second file that I would like to discuss is this classified.py. The main function of this file is to classify the user's query into one or more categories. For example, if a user's query is related to the marketing, then it will provide all the chunks related to the marketing to the LLM model. It is really important because with the help of this, it finds chunks or documents related to the query. And the third file that I would like to discuss is this search.py file. The main function of it works. The main function of this is as a retriever. It provides the user's query plus related chunks to the LLM model and gets a response from the LLM model. So this is a fake data set database that I've created, and I'm going to use this name and password to log in. And yeah, so let me show you how this actually works. Let me first deploy this on Streamlit. For those who don't know what Streamlit is a Python library that is used to deploy projects or models on local as well as external servers. So I'm going to just run this on my local server. UFL. So just we have to just wait a few seconds before testing. I already got some questions related to the documents, so this way I won't be spending too much time. So it is asking me for the login info. Let me log in this marketer account, and the name is Sid, and the password is Sid pass123. So let me just write password and Sid pass123. Let me log in. Okay, so it's welcoming me. Now, as you can see, like role-based assistant, and my name is Sid, and role marketing. I can ask a question. So let me copy this question and paste it right here, and let me search this query, and let's wait for the LLM model for a response. And it says that category used two categories have been as output by our classified.py file, and that's answer email marketing, and this is the response, and these are all the references on different chunks, and as you can see. So let me ask another question, and that is related to HR. For example, asking information about an employee. Let's see what happens if I ask a question about Ishan Patel. My job is marketing, but it should throw me an error. So it's telling you are not authorized to view that information. So because it's I'm not HR, I'm not HR, so I can't ask any other category or other type of questions. So let me ask a question about finance, and it should throw me error again because I'm a marketer. So again, it's throwing me an error. So let me log out this account and let me log in HR account. So HR has access to all kind of information about the company, so it shouldn't be throwing an error at me. So let me log out. So let me so HR name is Natasha, and her password to three. HR pass 1 to 3. So Natasha HRPA1 pass 1 2 3. Let me check if it's right. So HR pass 1 1 2 3. Let's wait, and so it's welcoming me, and my role now is HR. So here I can ask any question about any type of, for example, I can ask a question about finance. I can ask a question about marketing. It shouldn't be through error. So let me ask a question about market relating question. So it shouldn't throw me an error. It should just provide me an answer with the references. So it's telling me category used. It's marketing type question, and it's email marketing, and these are all the references. Again, let me ask a question about an employee. So let's see what happens. So it's telling me that name is Ishan Patel, role is security engineering technology, email, born, date of birth, and so on, employee two, and so on. These are all the references. So let me ask a question about finance. Okay, again, it shouldn't throw me an error. It should just give me a correct response based on the provided chunks. So it's telling me the gross margin was 5%, and net margin is was 10%. So this is how it works. This role-based rake application. So let me run this also on FastAPI. So let me close this one, and let me run this on FastAPI. Okay, just bear just bear with me. Rubicon main app reload. This is how you run a FastAPI app code. So it takes some times, but around like 10 or 15 seconds. So we just have to wait. It takes some time, so I don't know why, but yeah. So now I can just a few more seconds. Yeah. So now I can. It's telling me application startup complete, so I can just run this file, and it is saying to me that reg application is live. So let me go this to docs, and here I can show you how this actually works on Fast API. Let me log in an account like Sid, a marketer account. Sid was 1 2 3, I think. There was, yeah, no, I'm logging. So let me try it out, and now I can ask a question. So let's see what happens. I think I haven't logged in yet. No, let me log in again. Sid. Now let me try it out. Execute. As you can see, our username is Sid and role is marketing, and the response from our classified.py is finance and marketing, and this is the answer. So let me ask this again, a question related to a company employee. So it should again throw me an error telling me that access denied based on your role. So if I log in an HR account, then it will just give me answer related to the any question related to the company. So this is how a role based break agent works. So yeah, so this was my first project on Gen AI, and I hope this is pretty much clear to you. Of course, there is plenty of room for improvement, and yeah. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and yeah, I will I'll provide this code on GitHub. So make sure you check out my GitHub repository. So and have a nice day. Thanks for sticking with me so far. Bye.